That's far.
That's not
Steven, when they get close, we'll pull the winning flag.
It's gonna fall on the ground.
Yeah. Dude, that's not even 100 meters. That's 40 yards.
Huh? Hey, what about the black truck? From the black truck, right? Yeah. That's far, dude.
That's not far.
I mean,
Dean drank a beer first.
Right,
that's not even 50 yards. Oh, God.
Gap on him, man.
Dude, Dean's gonna put car links on these guys.
No way.
He runs every day, like 37 miles.
He's gonna win. He's gonna win. He's got the weight advantage.
Who?
Frankie.
Frankie says he's got the sprints.
Hold on. Let me get.
I can't zoom in.
That boy Chris comes.
All right, hey, the finish line is the parachute. I'm gonna put it straight across. I'm gonna count it. 1, 2, 3.
Ready? Watch the light.
Oh, and they're all. Oh, damn!
Oh, shit.
That boy acts like he wasn't even trying.
What we got going this morning, senor?
Oh, we have the world's grimiest C7Z I have ever seen in my life. We have done a bunch of performance mods, heads, cam, fixed Procharger piping. Now time to clean it up and make it look like LMR's best. So, we're gonna try out Street Speed's new wheel soot cleaner. Let's see how well this comes out.
What you think, Frankie?
Yeah.
Is it gonna do any good, or is it gonna be a waste of money?
No, ain't no waste of money around here.
All that's left is put the headers in, spark plugs, coil packs on that side. We're gonna put new valve covers on it so we can run a bigger, better catch can and fix a lot of the vacuum issues and oiling issues he's having.
How's the valve cover change the catch can setup?
Because we can run AN fittings in the top and sit everything and make it look all nice and pretty in here. And then obviously we're moving the mass airflow up here to smooth out his drivability instead of in the intercooler. So it's coming along very nice.
Dude, yeah, it's like a whole different car.
Whole
dude.
new car, brother. This thing came in here destroyed.
Barnyard Commando.
Like for real. Broken. Had something hot glued to the top. It's disgusting.
Man, brother, it looks like a new car.
Is that crazy?
It looks like a brand new car.
That's crazy.
Like it should have looked when it came in. Like
Damn.
98% of our customer cars.
Yeah.
We get a few.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
We replaced a lot of stuff on this.
Who owned this car before?
Kevin Gates.
Kevin Gates. He's gonna want it back.
Yeah. For real, it's actually gonna work.
Is it?
I'm loading the file. This car doesn't have flex fuel, but I think the customer brought it in with E85, so we might start it. It might not run the best because the fuel trim is gonna be really far off. I'm waiting on Stefan to get back to see if he drained the gas or not. If he didn't, we'll still start it, but it might not run the best with the gas in it.
So then if you drained it, then fill
If you
it up
drained it
with
with 93, then it'll start should run close to being good. But I will wait for him to get back. I guess he's in the bathroom or what? But yeah, this thing was nasty. So if this thing starts and runs, whew, this guy's gonna love us. Are you sure that's American Racing? If so, fucking badass.
That's 100% American Racing.
It's sick. That looks good as hell. I love the V-band. Look how good the exhaust looks, dude. So we're gonna do, we haven't even called it what package we're gonna call it. It's gonna be our TRX Stage. We'll probably call this thing, we're gonna do two tunes. We're gonna try and do 93 octane and E85. So we're doing upper pulley, lower pulley, ID 1300 injectors. And then yeah, 93 and E85.
Is that kind of like the Hellcat?
Yep. So the Hellcat, but a little bit more boost, and then E85. The last Hellcat, the red eye we did run E85. E85 should be another 30, 50 horsepower. It's gonna be sick, dude. Especially in a big truck like this, it's gonna be badass.
The amount of dirt that came out of this car is phenomenal. The only thing I can picture in my head with this car, Dean, is the end of that one Fast and the Furious where they're like going through the tunnels in Mexico and like jumping the border and
Why you gotta read the border though?
because it was on the border.
Oh yeah. You're right.
And then they were like, "Ew."
He's like, why did I be the border? Well, because it was at the border.
That boost thing definitely works.
I told it's crazy, right?
I mean, yeah, I added a degree again and it still didn't knock. So I'm just, you know.
I'm telling you, watch.
Way to pick up the last pull.
$712,604.
Yeah, it came in actually not even running. I think he bought the car already modded. We really don't know. We had a little bit of investigation. So what we ended up having to do is, because it really didn't even run, it was very dirty, we basically tore the motor right down to the bare block and swapped the camshaft out. It had an aftermarket cam, but we didn't know what it had, so we put one of our camshafts in it. The intercore piping was all not in good shape, so we had some extra parts. We rigged up a nice intercore piping with some from the intercore to the engine, and now it's got a nice smooth airflow through the map sensor, which obviously helps in drivability. And this customer, he wasn't about every ounce of power. He wanted to just put 93 in it, pump gas, and drive the car. He didn't want meth, he didn't want to do E85, so it kept it kind of simple. This car literally drives like a factory car, obviously tuning and then the addition to that charge pipe where the math is. But man, I mean, it drives really great. It's very simple. I mean, made 780 to the tire, which is incredible at about 17 pounds. 17.5 pounds of boost. Nothing special. Stock converter. I mean, it literally put it in drive and drive it like it was a stock Z06. So yeah, he's gonna be happy considering the car didn't even run when it showed up.
Super makeover one.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's like night and day. Yeah.
Cool. And then we'll get some street driving of it pretty soon. What do you have to do before that?
Gotta throw it back on the dyno because we did change the pulley. So I just want to make sure the air fuel and everything's correct.
Cool, cool. Thank you. Looks good. Thanks, Ryan.
You gotta lock the rear diff. Yes, it'll pig leg. It's got a lock the rear diff. It's got a lock the rear diff somewhere. So make sure that. Okay, axle lock. Hit the axle lock and do it again.
Alright, Baja. Can I put it in? I mean, Baja the best?
My buddy said Baja was the best, but try anything you want.
Alright, let's try 2200.
Well, shit, if you want to do it right here.
I was gonna slow down.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let
That
him
cop
go
is
farther
gone.
forward.
Nobody's behind
Watch.
us.
Hit reset.
God. Yep. Back it all the way up.
Right.
So hit reset
Hit
again.
reset.
Go to the please stop. Alright, hit that. Now hit the record. You ready?
Yep.
Go ahead. It's on you.
Dude, that's wild.
Yeah, it is.
That's wild.
He's going after. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Was he going after
He's
someone?
going after that guy, I think.
He's good. We're
Yeah.
good. Stop. Alright, go ahead.
Jeez.
You threw me in the backseat.
Dude, this thing rolls, bro. Alright, baseline, TRX, launch control, 1900.